Hello, YouTube, and hello to Stigger Wanderer. I think that's how I say your name. I certainly hope so. I want to thank you for your sentence. Here it is. None of us can solve all the problems in the world, but all of us can make a significant contribution to a better world. One of the things I love about this sentence is that there are words that kind of oppose one another in a good way. So for example, none of us, right? We have here, none of us, and then we have all of us. And then we have problems in the world, and then we have better world. So this is great. I love this. Now, one of the things that I had asked in my previous video that I posted was for individuals like Stigger Wanderer to put a sentence into the comments that I can help you to understand how does the pausing work with the emphasis and work with the flow. So let's go ahead and take the thought chunks the way that you've created them, Stigger. So I'm just going to go like this. Great. And I'm going to just read it, and I'm going to tell you if I like the thought chunks. Here we go. None of us can solve all the problems in the world, but all of us can make a significant contribution to a better world. All right, so reading it a second time, I got a little confused. I want to see what happens if I put this here. And if I say, none of us can solve all the problems in the world, but all of us can make a significant contribution to a better world. Okay, now I'm still thinking, so let me think this out here. None of us can solve all the problems in the world. None of us can solve all the problems in the world, but all of us can make a significant contribution to a better world. Okay, good, so this works. So none of us can solve. Let's just see what happens if we make this our focus word. None of us can solve all the problems in the world. So maybe we go like this. None of us can solve all the problems in the world, right? And then again, why am I changing that? I'm changing that because I just want to demonstrate how the pause works in relationship to that keyword. So if the pause is here, and I want to make that keyword right before it. Same thing here. Then I can highlight the word world as well. So I say, none of us can solve all the problems in the world. And then I can say, but all of us, and now the reason I want to highlight the word all is because we had said none earlier. So none of us can solve all the problems in the world. But all of us, so now I'm going to highlight this word. Let's get the whole thing. Can make a significant contribution. And again, we're just going to find what is the focus word potentially closest to the pause. And then can make a significant contribution to a better world. Now, why am I emphasizing better instead of world? Can you take a guess? Because I've already highlighted the word world here. All right? So now I'm going to take my pen. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to, whoops, there it is. And then I'm going to take this, whoops, there is our keyword. And then this is our keyword as we go ahead and we finish this sentence. None of us can solve all the problems in the world, but all of us can make a significant contribution to a better world. Now, one of the things I've said many times is that there are different ways of thought chunking. So this does not have to be the only way, but I want to just show you one possible solution here. None of us can solve all the problems in the world, but all of us can make a significant contribution to a better world. So go ahead and try that. See if you can get that, really lengthen the word solve and world and all, Remembering we hold the vowels to really emphasize these words. Contribution and better. So first go through, exaggerate those words, get that length, and then put them back in the sentence. None of us can solve all the problems in the world, but all of us can make a significant contribution to a better world. And then the other thing we talked about doing, we talked about what is the connection? How do we get those Americanisms, right? How do we link, for example, the N to the O, the of to the U? So if we just start with linking, we look for words that start with vowels, right? And then we'll come back in a minute and we'll look for some other ways that we can connect as well. All right, so let's do this here. Okay, that looks good. So look at this. None of, none of, none of. I'm taking the N, I'm connecting it to the O. None of, none of. And then I take that F, which sounds more like a V, and I'm saying none of us, none of us, none of us. So none is long, of, us, and can are going to be short. None of us can solve long, short, 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 long. None of us can solve. Okay, and then we're going to come down here. This is the linking here. Problems in, problems in, problems in the world, problems in the world. And then we hold that world. Okay, so we say all of, all the, all the, all the, all. Now, all is going to be long. All the problems, all the problems, all the problems in the world. Try that. None of us can solve all the problems in the world. Try that. Now we get but all. Now look at what we're doing here. We're taking this T and I'm going to just kind of put a strike through it so that that's the American flap sound. Instead of saying but all with a T sound, we're going to use that flapped D. Da, 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 da. But all, but all, but all of us. But all of us. But all of us. And really make that word all long. Okay, so we're going to connect the flap sound to the A, the L to the O, and then again, this F is actually a V sound, of us, of us. So it's but all of us. Let's try the first three chunks. None of us can solve all the problems in the world, but all of us. And notice now I got to the word all. I'm using the most intonation here as well. And now I'm going to reduce the word can because it's not as important as make. So I'm going to get can make, can make, can make a. Can make, can make, can make a. So make is long. Can make a significant contribution. Now this, you have two long words next to each other. And then this is our stressed syllable. So remember to make that the longest syllable in this phrase. Can make a significant contribution. Okay, and then here, to a. Now notice what I'm doing here. I'm putting a W. Okay, do you know why? Because when we link an oo sound, like to, and if you round your lips to say the oo, to, your lips are ready for the W. And so we use that W, okay, to make it easier to connect the O to the A. To a better world. To a better world. Try that. Great. I'm going to read this sentence one more time. None of us can solve all the problems in the world, but all of us can make a significant contribution to a better world. So go ahead and try that. Keep stopping my recording and going back. See if you can get the pause, the emphasized word, and all of those links. Good luck to you on your American accent speaking journey. I know you're doing a great job. Thanks for being my fan. And come on back next week for the next sentence, where we'll analyze that as well. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. And if you don't already know, go ahead and check out in the description. I have a new course coming out in September. So if you want to get on the priority list to learn the most you can about that course and be the first to know when it's open, go ahead and get on that list, okay? And when you do, you're going to get a look at my new ebook, all right? All right, guys, thanks so much, everybody. Thanks, Digger Wanderer. Bye.